Hello guys, welcome to this new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the best out of your S20 Plus or any other Samsung devices in terms of battery life and performance. But before we start, let's roll the intro. So everything I'm going to be doing today will be in settings, and that's where we are. So firstly, we'll go into connections, go to Wi-Fi. As you can see, I have terrible neighbors. That's not me. We'll go into advanced, and the first thing you want to do is turn off this option, which is turn on Wi-Fi automatically. You don't want your device searching for Wi-Fi networks automatically. That does not make sense. When you want to connect, you connect. Next thing we have to do is turn on Wi-Fi power saving mode, of course, to save some battery while you're on Wi-Fi. And you also want to turn off network notification. It should not notify you when there's a Wi-Fi network around. I mean, you really should connect only when you want to connect. Next thing you want to do is turn on hotspot 2.0, and that's just for your safety when you are browsing on some public Wi-Fi networks. So next, back into connections, you want to turn off NFC and payments. I mean, turn these things on when you need them. Don't just leave them on all the time. That's going to drain your battery. Next, we are going into more settings, and you want to turn off nearby device scanning, especially if you don't like cast your screen to other screens and all that. You don't need that. Turn that off to save some battery. Next, we are going into display, and what you want to do is turn on dark mode. Besides this looking a lot better, this saves you battery, as these Samsung devices have that OLED display, and when they show darker colors, it saves you battery. So definitely do that. Next, we are going to turn on accidental touch protection. When your phone is in your pockets, it doesn't operate itself and drain your battery. And obviously, don't forget to use darker wallpapers. As I explained to you earlier, darker colors save you battery on OLED displays. Next, we are going into lock screen, and in here you want to turn off always on display. This drains a lot of battery. However, if you must use it, maybe use it like me. I turn it on and I use tap to show instead of show always. This way, when my screen is locked, I can just tap it to see whatever information or notifications I need and or unlock. So next up, we're going into biometrics, and in biometrics you want to turn on secure folder. I have this turned on already. Secure folder helps you hide or protect important files on your phone. For instance, if you have pictures or videos on your phone you don't want other people to see, I know what you are thinking of, but that's not what I'm talking about. I mean, if you have like private files, confidential files, you can just use secure folder to hide them so they won't show up in your gallery anymore. Next, we're going into advanced features. For some reason, Samsung felt like the best way to turn off your phone is hold down notification bar and hit the power button there for some crazy reason. I have no idea. However, to fix this, we'll go into side key in advanced features and change holding the power button from waiting Bixby, which nobody in this world wants or needs, to power off. So now when you press and hold the side key, you get your power options instead of Bixby, which nobody wants. Next up, but still under advanced features, turn on reduce animations. What this does is it reduces the animations you see on your screen, like when you're opening and closing apps, and gives your phone that faster, snappier feel. Next, we are going into digital well-being. If you are someone who uses your phone a lot, maybe too much, this will help you limit that, as you can come in here to set app timers and give yourself limits in the day, and this will really help you connect with the real world. Please go outside and play. Now we are going into device care, and under device care advanced, in here turn on auto optimization and optimize settings. This will help you automatically manage and maintain your phone, and you can also go in there to customize it, change the settings however you like. I'll also advise you turn on auto restart. Restarting your phone daily is a good habit, and if you won't remember to do that all the time, or just don't want to be bothered with doing it manually all the time, definitely turn that on. And next up, we're going into battery under device care obviously, and under power mode, set it to optimize. This will help you save some battery and your phone will still run fast, don't worry. Also turn on adaptive power saving, and what this means is that your phone will learn your usage patterns and try to help you save battery automatically. Next, we're going into app power management, still under battery, and you want to turn on adaptive battery. This will limit battery usage of apps you don't use frequently. That's a good thing. And also put unused apps to sleep, which means apps that you don't use frequently will be kept in a certain state where they don't run in your background and using up your battery and system resources. So definitely turn that on. And finally, still under battery, go into charging, and you want to turn on especially super fast charging. Make sure everything here is turned on. You want your phone charging as quickly as possible. So anyways guys, that's been the video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. And as you can see, I have my S20 Plus floating in that beautiful CASEOLOGY Vault case. I'm going to leave a link to this case and many other cases in the description. Please buy from my Amazon link to support the channel. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, please subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.